Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check YouTube channel analytics on a Windows computer. This includes views, subscribers, estimated revenue, and more. Let's get started. On your Windows PC, open any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Microsoft. And in the search bar, type View Stats. Then press enter and then click on the first link that appears on the search page, okay? Once you are in the View Stats website, you'll see a search box on the top. You can type the channel name or copy and paste the channel handle or username if you have it. For example, let's search for Mr. Beast. After typing, View Stats will show matching results. Click on the correct channel to open the full analytics page. Now you can see all the public stats of the channel, including lifetime views, total subscribers, channel country, daily views, monthly views, estimated monthly revenue. It's all displayed clearly with charts and graphs, perfect for tracking or analyzing any channel's growth. This method works for any public YouTube channel. There is no need to sign in or install anything. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button